Hello, Jim Techbo's new case in today for the Pixel 6 from PHNX, and it's the typical trio case that you get. We've done quite a few phones with them now, and we've got frosted black, matte black and frosted white. And you get the typical box, as you can see there, with the slide out tray. So we're going to start from the top. So once again, we'll just show you here what the case is all about. It's a pretty simple minimalistic case, just to stick it on and job is done, and that's all there is to it. So you've got precise cutouts and raised lip, which will provide the camera protection and a smooth finish and light grip to perfect feel in your hand. You've got a QR code to scan, and you can ask them questions, and you can ask a lot of other stuff there, so just pause that if you want to read it. You get the usual, you get your cloth, you get your sticker, and that's it. It comes in this plastic bag, and it says lock. So this one here is the frosted white. So we get our phone, pop it on, and let's make sure we have it right at the top as well. So I put it on from the top, so that's basically what it's going to look like there. You can see the camera hump is protected, which is the most important thing on this phone, I think, and you can see even here that it's gone above the lens, so it's protected. Your keys will pop out from the sides, and you can see then you've got your parts on the bottom, and a closer look at the camera there, and you see our mic up on top, and that's what it's going to look like there. But there is no protection on the actual front of the screen, so that's the only thing. But these are minimalistic cases, and that's what they're all about, and that does the job there, as you can see. No problem at all, and it does give you additional grip, because the Pixel 6 is a very slippy device, and that's it there. So that's the frosted white. So also, yes, we check for wireless charging, and you can see there that it's charging, no problem at all. So we'll move on to the next case, and let's get this one off. And this time we're going to go with the matte black. Again, it's the same stuff inside the box. And we'll peel off the top there. So that's the matte black. So what we'll do is we'll take these two out all together. That's the frosted, so that's the matte and the frosted. So I want to start with this one here. So put it on from the top. It's the best way to do it. Again, it goes on like that. So again, you can see that you've got protection up on the top there. It doesn't do any rocking, nothing like that. Your keys will be stuck out from the side a tiny bit there. It looks really well. Parts on the bottom. Basically that's it, but there's no, again, same thing, no protection on the screen, as you can see there. And that's what it looks like. And for wireless charging, so you just keep knocking that on every time you go to use that. And there you go, it's come on there. Charging, no problem at all. So that's the matte black finish. So we'll move on to the frosted, which I think is my favourite out of them all. It is a bit tricky to get these off because they're so thin. And again, from the top,
for that you'll have to tap.
And job done. So that's that one there. I like this one. This is my probably favourite out of them all. And you can see what you're getting there. This looks very clean. So again, you can see the hump there covered and raised. above the actual lens, so you're going to get protection there from the lens. And again, you can see your keys on the side like so, and that's basically it and what it looks like. And again, you can see on the bottom there and what it looks like in the top, and again just on the front you can see there's no protection on the screen. But that's just how they work, and they're a minimalistic case and they just have a nice clean job, thinnest case on the market, and that's how they operate. So we're going to just do the wireless charging test on that, and again no problem, works fine. So that's the three of them there, and do check them out, and that's what they look like. So the choice is yours as to which colour suits you best. I might be going with this one, but everyone's different, and that's what they all look like there. So it's your choice at the end of the day which one to pick. So that's it for those. We've also got the same case in for the Pixel 6 Pro, which we to get. And again, they're just the same job, but we'll show you them when we do have the phone, because we've got a load of cases in for that already. And that's it, and job is done. Really nice clean finish, and works with wireless charge and everything. So that's all there is to it. Cutouts for all your buttons, and they look really well indeed. Nice, clean, simple job. So that's it for the PHNX case lineup for the Pixel 6. Stay tuned for more on techbuzzorange.com, and we'll see you in the next video.